Hey guys, this is Brian with Sights on Him. I was going to give you an update on the trail cams that we hung about 3 weeks ago, and if you stick with us, we'll give you the results on the product that we used. Alright guys, we're back with this update on these trail cams that we hung about 3 weeks ago. I just want to give you some pictures that we got, just basically the quality of the cameras that we have out in the fields. Like I said, we are not looking for the best quality picture. We want some dependable cameras out here that can give us the results that we want to be able to manage our deer properly. I was just going to also give you an opportunity to see what these deer have done to this deer cocaine that we have put out. This is not a management diet nutrition system. This is just an aid to help attract the deer and stop them in front of your camera. So I was going to give you some opportunities to look here at places that we have this deer cocaine out and how that they have used it. If you remember on the video where we hung the trail cams, I didn't take a lot of time and effort and rough the ground up, and I just sprinkled it on the ground evenly in about a 6x6 area. And as you can tell, they have done the work for me. They have pawed it in the ground. It would be good if you could get out here and put it out on a night before rain or right before rain so the water could soak it in. I believe that would do a better job, but you do not have to do a lot to it to get this product to work for you. Now is when to hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. When I got over and I checked the card in the Apeman H45, I was really down. I found the camera opened, and in my review, you can remember that was the con of this camera was the clips that held the camera shut. And I found the camera open, and I really did not want to come back and give this camera a bad review, because this camera I'm rooting for this camera because it has so far given me good quality pictures, quality video, quality audio. I mean, I just really, if you can't tell, I really like this camera, and I really did not want to come back and give this camera a bad review. Well, upon looking at the footage on the camera, I'm going to show you what I found. As you can tell, guys, I can't give this camera a bad review. It looked like it took some pretty bad abuse there. I didn't see a face, I did not see a hand, I didn't see a paw, so I don't know who I can blame, but I know I've hunted those woods several times, and I have seen a lot of the masked men over there. So I think it was a raccoon that was playing games with me. And he finally got it open. So I'm still not going to give this camera a bad review. As you can tell, the stealth is still solid camera, and it's just this Apeman will just do just a tad more of than what that stealth can. And as we can tell, as far as the product that we've used, I think we can safe to say that it does work for what we were using it for. I think it is a very good aid to get them deer in front of you and to get them to stop so you can get good solid pictures of them and be able to check out what's on your farm and what kind of herd you got. Just like always, guys, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you will, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything we got coming at you later. And just like always, keep your sights on him and be careful.